everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stand with the Rubik's Twist. So first off, you're going to count 2 blocks, turn it twice, and then count 1 block, and then turn it twice. Alright, now you're going to turn this block towards you, like this. Alright, then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and turn this block down. Alright, now count 1, 2, and turn it twice. And then count 1 block and turn it twice. And now turn this block to the right, like this. Okay, now count 1, 2, 3, turn this block away from you. 1, 2, turn it twice. And then 1 block, turn it twice. Okay, and now count 1, 2, and turn the 3rd block to the left. And there you go, you have a stand. Now you can put anything inside it. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.